Hi everyone. Hi Mizana. So my name is AISYAH BINTI HALIZAN from Mathematics 1, and today I'm going to present a video project about application of computational thinking in online and offline activity. So, what is computational thinking and how to use it in our classroom or in our real life? So, computational thinking helps people today by improving their ability to solve real problems efficiently and logically. It trains the mind to approach challenges with clarity and confidence, whether in daily tasks, making decisions, or working with technology. In a world that increasingly relies on digital tools and data, so computational thinking equips individuals with a mindset to adapt, innovate, and stay ahead. Now, I will continue my presentation by introducing to all of you about the element that we have in computational thinking. So the first one is pattern recognition. What is pattern recognition? Pattern recognition is observe patterns and trends in data. So when we see a pattern, it will help us solve problem faster because we can guess what might come next or spot the right answer quickly. So the second one is abstraction. What is abstraction? So abstraction is focusing on what's important and ignoring the rest. So it will keeps your brain from getting confused by too much information. So you will focus on the what importance in the question. Next is decomposition. What is decomposition? So decomposition is break down data and problem into the smaller part. So by breaking big problem into smaller part, it is easier to solve a big problem when we do it little by little. Next is algorithm. So what is algorithm? Algorithm is determine what steps are needed to solve the problem because if we have the algorithm in our if we implement algorithm in our activities, so our following step will help us to do things the right way every time. So now let's start the activities, offline and online activities. I will show to you the step by step how to do the online activity, and also I will story to you. I will tell to you how to use, how to implement computational thinking in our activity in class. So my topic is addition within 0 to 18. I will teach year 1 Olympic, and my title that I choose is basic operation. The content standard is concept of addition and subtraction, and the learning standard is add in the range of basic facts. And the last one is the learning objective. At the end of the class, the pupils will know how to adding in the range of numbers 0 to 18. Now, I will proceed my presentation with application of computational thinking in offline activity based on the topic that I choose before. This is the detail about the offline activity that I have created based on the title that I choose. So the name of activity is Magic Hands Maths. So the material that I use is color paper, sellotape, improboard, and sticker. So the purpose is pupils learn how to add number easily with a range of number 0 to 18. So the CT elements that I implement in this activity is algorithm, decomposition, and abstractions. So the benefit from this activity is about visual representation will enhance understanding, use of fingers for counting, and kids-friendly design and interactive learning experience. Now, let's see how to play this offline activity. based on the previous video that show how to play this magic hands mat, so there are three elements of computational thinking that I apply in this activity. The first one is abstraction. The abstraction show when the cartoon's hands and head represent abstract mathematical values. So the second one is decomposition, where we can see the decomposition in the composition element in this activity when we using fingers to represent each number. So at the second right box, there is arrow, so it's shown the finger. So we using the finger instead of using the number only. So the next one is algorithm, where we can see the algorithm elements in these teaching aids. So the visual layout, which is the top is the equation and the bottom is representations. So it will guide the student through a clear sequence and algorithm, which is the first one is identify the number. So the second one is use finger and head to count and also add and find the total. So it will show the step by step how to solve the problem, how to solve the problem, which is our topic now is addition in the range of 0 to 18. Now I will continue to tell to all of you about application of computational thinking in online activity based on the title that we choose, which is addition in the range of 0, addition in the range of number 0 to 18, and we will know what is the computational thinking elements that we implement in this activity. This is the detail about my online activity that I have created based on my title that I choose, which is addition in the range of number 0 to 18. So the name of activity is addition fun games. So the software that I use is Polypad and also Canva. So the purpose is to make learning addition within the range 0 to 18, make it fun and also enjoyable for pupils. So the city elements that I implement in this online activity is algorithm, decomposition, abstraction, and pattern recognition. So the benefit is we will get student will learn, promotes active learning, enhance critical thinking skills, encourages strategy building, and build collaboration and communication. So I'm doing this activity in groups and also giving the students to do this as a worksheet at home. Now, I will show you step by step how to create this activity using Polypad and Canva. In the previous video, I have shown to you the step by step how to create this activity using Polypad and Canva. Now I will proceed my presentation to show to you how to play this activity with students. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you to show to you how to play this activity. So our topic today is adding numbers within 0 to 18. So we read the instruction first. First is press the roll and wait for a number to appear. Okay, so we click here, roll. Okay, we got number 15. Okay, so we need to find 15 in this box. How to find? To find the correct answer, you can use the tip for finding answer here and the number frame here. So first thing is predicting, finding, placing, and coloring. So we need to predict. How to predict? We use the number frame. So we try the number 8 plus 7. So we put all the 15 first. Alright. Then we try the 8 plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we got the 15, which is 8 plus 7. So drag and place the answer in the given number. Color the box accordingly. Okay, insert dulu. 8 tambah 7. Hari 1, 7 tambah 8. Dia dapat equal dia 15. Buka sini, kemudian bukan kat sini, tukar warna dia. Sama. Okay, next. Make sure you don't reuse the same box for another sum. So this color box, you can use the same box to repeat the process for 4 times. So you only can use the box that have not color. Okay. Regardless of follow what your teacher explained. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you. Now, I will share to all of you the application of computational thinking in this activity. Now, I will explain to you where is the 4 element that I apply in my online activity. So, if you look at the previous video, so that is the tips for finding answer, which is first predicting, second finding, placing, and coloring. So this step will help students to answer the question easily. So these 4 steps are small actions that must be done in order, just like instruction in an algorithm. By following them, it's a logical and organized way, just like how computers solve the problem. So when students follow the tip for finding answer, so can easily answer the question and find the correct answer. So the second compositional thinking is decomposition. So if you revise the previous video that I've shown, so at this time we use the number frame to try the different number combination and find the correct sum. So we use the color dot as, for example, 4 plus 7. So we do the 7 first and then we change the color, the different color for the 4 and check whether it get the correct sum or not. So by using the number frame, it will help children break the big math problem into smaller parts. So instead of guessing all at once, so they build the answer step by step using the color and position. Next, this is one of the steps to finish the online activity, which is drag the number and put it in the grid. So from this activity, actually student will learn 2 computational thinking in one time. The first one is pattern recognition and the second one is abstraction. So I explain about pattern recognition first. So we are learning to spot a pattern in the numbers when we see that 8 plus 7 and 7 plus 8 give the same answer, which is 15. So will help student learn that some number combination will always give the same sum, even if the number are swapped around. So 8 plus 7 equal to 15, and 7 plus 8 also equal to 15. So that show the in that case, so it show the number patterns. So for abstraction, abstraction means taking only what we need. So by doing this activity, student look at the big number grid and choose two number that can make the total. For example, 15. So they will ignore the rest of the grid and only use the two numbers that matter and put in the grid, drag into the grid. So they will ignore all the things there and just focus at the two numbers and put it in the right box.